The term Internet of Things gets thrown around a lot these days. And if you work in automation, you've probably heard it so many times that it's almost lost its meaning. But what does IoT actually mean in industrial automation? Because let's be honest, it's not about smart toasters, wearable watches, or home gadgets. In the industrial world, IoT has a completely different purpose and a much bigger impact. So today we're breaking down what IoT really is, how it works, and why it's becoming one of the most valuable tools for engineers and system integrators. Let's start with one of the biggest misconceptions. IoT is just a trend for the same automation we've been doing for years. And on the surface, that might seem true. After all, we've been connecting sensors and controllers for decades. But here's the difference. Traditional automation systems were closed loops. Data stayed local within the PLC or SCADA system. But IoT changes that entirely. IoT is what happens when your sensors, controllers, and devices start communicating beyond your local network, securely sending data to remote systems, dashboards, and even cloud platforms, where it can be analyzed and acted on in real time. In other words, automation controls processes, but IoT actually connects them. So what does this mean for engineers? Well, it's important to remember that IoT isn't about connecting things, it's about connecting data. Imagine a monitoring network in a data center. DL data loggers are recording temperature and humidity, and PM series power meters are tracking energy consumption and power factor. Now, all of that data is valuable, but traditionally it's siloed. You might have to log in locally to view each device or manually check data for reports. With IoT integration using a controller like a WISE 5231 or an edge-enabled Modbus Gateway, all of that information becomes instantly visible, consolidated, and actionable from anywhere. You're not just seeing the data, you're using it, automatically controlling fans, triggering alerts, or optimizing power use based on real-time conditions. And that's the real power of IoT. It takes the information engineers already collect and turns it into something systems can react to on their own. But how does it actually break down? Well, sensors would collect all the physical data like temperature, pressure, or voltage. Then controllers or gateways like a WISE controller or a TGW Modbus Gateway would process and transmit that data, which would then be stored for analysis by a central server or the cloud, which then gets sent to your dashboard to display data or send alerts. So as you can see, it's a seamless chain from sensor to insight without requiring someone to manually step in at every single stage. You get more visibility, faster responses, and data that you can actually trust. Now, every facility isn't a massive operation, and IoT is sometimes viewed as too complicated. So you'd be reasonable to think that IoT is too complex or too expensive for smaller operations. But that just isn't true anymore. In the past, yes, IoT used to mean enterprise-level systems with high infrastructure costs, but modular hardware changed that. Today, engineers can build a scalable IoT system starting with just one data logger and one controller. You can deploy a DL100 to monitor humidity, a PM3133 to measure power, and connect them both through a WISE Edge controller using MQTT, all without writing a single line of custom code. And with this approach, you can expand over time, adding more sensors or controllers as needed. So that's why IoT isn't exclusive to just large facilities. It's accessible, flexible, and designed to grow as your needs evolve. So what does this all have to do with automation? Well, data without action is just noise. With IoT-enabled systems, you can detect inefficiencies before they become downtime, run predictive maintenance based on real data, reduce energy waste automatically, and manage multiple remote facilities from a single dashboard. In short, IoT gives engineers control beyond the control room. It connects the system to insights that make real-time decision-making possible. And in industries like energy, water treatment, or data centers, that visibility can mean the difference between a routine day and a costly outage. So let's bring it all together. The myth says IoT is just another trend or buzzword. But the truth is, IoT is the next evolution of automation, connecting sensors, systems, and people in a way that makes every operation smarter, faster, and more efficient. It's not about complexity, it's about connectivity. And thanks to modern modular hardware like WISE controllers, TGW gateways, and DL data loggers, Building an IoT system today is easier than ever. The Internet of Things isn't the future, it's already here. And if you're an engineer or system integrator, it's one of the most valuable tools you can use to make your systems more intelligent and resilient. Because at the end of the day, IoT isn't about connecting things, it's about connecting information and turning that information into action. Thanks for watching this episode of Automation Myths Debunked. If you found it helpful, check out our previous episode on automation and jobs, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next video. And if you're looking to build an IoT-enabled automation system, you can visit ICP-USA.com or reach out to sales at ICP-USA.com to learn more about the hardware that makes it possible.